Amachibu y'amatemwa Kcse y'omwaka 2025 varari kwa senchera ya rero niko boneka chikuru kurase kaunti ya Kisii CHIAENEKIRIE Amachibu AMAYA asekorende chinyinge chitaranyora Amachibu abo goikera bonega kulingana na mworokyo monne bw'esukuru ya banyaruka ya Nyabururu Dr. Joyce Orioki niko yanekirie buna esukuru iyo niko yarikia Emin Engia ayo mwaka oyiga gwetania omwaka eta hasebono gwetania borki bochimisana barachikoba bagoso abekaranseta sama temwa yo niko bona barachikoba abana chiminye 50 no mona babere bagochigoso ase university oigo hase esukuru ya esukuru ya abamura ya kiage tumaini ni gaborki bonsi abekaranseta matemwa yo 45 babere barachiko genda ase university ase esukuru yari kia Emin ya kianda nukta isano na isatu.
Shule yetu inameremeta imepambwa maua. Shule yetu inameremeta imepambwa maua.
505 candidates. They sat for the result for the exam, and we have the results so far. A minus 45, B plus 114, B plain 137, B minus 98, C plus 59, C plain 31, C minus 10, D plus 2. I want to say we improved from 8.3 mean score of last year to 8.8 this year. That is for 2025. Out of 505 girls who sat for the exam, 462 get direct university entry of C plus and above. Out of the 505, if when we take C minus as the pass mark, then we have 99.6% percentage pass.
Kiage Tumaini Boys High School, amatemwa a 2025 aso kirebuya. Taito de nyasanga mbuya mono asengencho those students nyasa bakonyire wa 2025 na ndibuna ekagwaida yake Tumaini abere bono waitire bonsi buje university 100%. And tuwabwata abana 48 bachakerete chi babere obwo mwali abwate A minus yo B minus yo yomo. Abana bagikara sike ababwate omukia wale okolega si na determination berwete mono na ende babwate discipline ikagera asoko soma kwabo nase okora preparation yabo na obalenge organized abayiboli babanafunzi abayiga balenge cooperative waseke songo bali kubwatirana aikagera discipline kabayigoro bagakora kiregenda abana batakeire gutwara esukuri atakire bakore wikira boniga baitete bonse kuche university na ende baitete buya sana as science nemirimo yonse.
We are here to give glory to God, but I want to comment that our result is based on the foundation of integrity, accompanied by prayer and hard work. All that is being practiced by every stakeholder, and we want to say God has given us the energy to serve his people, and we are grateful for that.